Some more on data frames, and this is with respect to sorting. Okay, sorting columns, and so, right? So let's so we have this is our data frame. Okay, just want to make sure we are aware of that. Okay, and let's sort this data frame by coli. Okay, so we're going to say df. Okay, we already done that. Okay, so we're going to sort by values. Okay, sort by values. Okay, by equals coli. Okay, what does it do? Oh, by equals coli. Okay, and if you don't, so by default it's going to sort in the ascending order. Okay, and I think you can pass an argument equals false. Okay, so when you do that, it's going to give you the highest value first and then so on, right? What if you want to sort by two columns? Okay, so I think we already done that. Let's see that. So we did that. Sorting by more than, so we can sort by more than one column. So we're going to sort by coli and then home price. Okay, but now we're going to say coli in descending order and home price in ascending order. Okay, so let's see. So this is coli in descending because we have this as false, because we can pass on a list of false and true, list of booleans. Okay, false applies to coli and true applies to home price. Okay, so you see that cost of living is highest and home price home price is highest. It makes sense. Okay, next highest makes sense. Is there a break somewhere? Okay, let's see whether there is a break. Okay, yeah, see, there is a break here. Okay, so between Chicago and Baltimore, the cost of living drops, but the home price is actually higher. Okay, so there could be other reasons why Chicago is more expensive to live than Baltimore, besides the value of the home itself. Okay, so this is one way to look at it. Okay, so how would we find out? This is the way you would find out that are there cities where the cost of living is high but the home price is low. Okay, this is one instance, and you will find another instance here. So Bakersfield, the home price is low but the cost of living is high. Okay, compared to the next one, right? So the cost of living is higher than Minneapolis. Okay, for Bakersfield, California, but the home price is lower. Okay, what could be the reason? Reason could be taxes or other thing. California is notorious for high taxes, so that could be one of the reasons why. Okay, so that's one thing. You can also sort by index. Okay, what is an index? Of course, index in this case is this. Okay, okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, it's going to sort the way it was. That's the original data frame, by the way, anyway, right? What if we rename the index? Okay, let's say we call this 0 as 3, which we have done that before. Let's do it again. Okay, and let's sort the index again. Okay, so what happens now? We see the Seattle, which was here, now moves to here. Okay, because that's 3, right? So we are sorting by index. Okay, so this will come in handy quite a bit when you're dealing with trying to find the max and the min value and trying to sort of assess as to and you will sort of find the need to sort stuff over and over again. Okay, when you're actually working on your project or homework or whatever it is, right? Head, we have done that before. Any no value is going to give you the top 5 rows. No value is going to give you the bottom 5 rows, but if you pass on an argument, say 3, it's going to give you only 3 rows. If you pass an argument of 10, it's going to give you 10 rows. Okay, so no surprise there. The aggregate functions work like that as well. Okay, so we can actually you apply this mean method to the entire data frame, okay, we can calculate the average for all columns in a data frame. Okay, so by default, which is default, okay, columns are broadcasted to aggregate functions are broadcasted to all columns, which is default. If you don't put in anything, it's by columns. Okay, so it's going to take the mean of all the values which have all the columns which have numeric values. So mean of this, mean of this, mean of this, mean of this. Okay, you get that. But if you say axis equals 1, okay, oops, this is by each row. Okay, so if you take axis equals 1, it's going to give you by rows. Okay, so I think that's about it here, and so we are sort of done with data frames. Okay, we're going to of course keep doing more and more data frames, because that's what we'll be using over and over again. But these are some of the basic manipulation techniques to sort of play around with data frames. Okay.